Backing up your LG device is crucial to protect your data. But how do you back up and restore your LG phone? In this video, we'll show you 5 quick and safe methods to do just that. Way 1. Backup and restore LG phones with LG Backup and Restore. Mobikin Backup Manager for Android is a desktop program that can back up all LG devices running on all Android versions, including LG Wing Velvet Think K90 to K22, and so forth. Backup LG phone data to PC. Step 1. Launch Mobikin Backup Manager for Android on your computer. After you downloaded and installed it, pick out a USB cable to connect your LG phone to the same computer. Then, you will see such an user interface on screen. Step 2. Once your LG device is detected by the program successfully, give it a click on Backup from the main interface to proceed. As you can see, all supported data types are listed here. Just tick off the file types that you wish to back up. Step 3. You can check the file types one by one, or if you want to back up the whole LG phone, you can simply tick up the box before Name to select all files at once. Click Backup button at the right bottom to begin backing up your LG device. Selectively restore from LG Backup. Step 1. Clicking on the Restore option from the main interface of the program, all backup records will be scanned out and displayed. Step 2. Select the backup files you want to restore from, and then give a click on the Restore button at the right bottom to initiate the restoring process. Way 2. Backup and restore LG device with LG Backup Assistant. Mobikin Assistant for Android is a professional and reliable LG backup and restore software. This app enables you to back up all the files saved on your LG device and restore the backup files with one simple click. 1. How to back up LG phone to computer with one click. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the recommended program on your computer. Step 2. Connect your LG device to computer and let the program detect it. Step 3. Tap Super Toolkit on the primary interface and then choose Backup. Step 4. Tick off the wanted files listed in the pop-up window and hit the Backup button to save the selected data to computer. 2. How to restore LG Android phone. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the software. Step 2. Link your Android phone to computer and make the connected device recognize. Step 3. Choose Super Toolkit, Restore. Step 4. Select a backup file that you want to restore to your mobile phone. Way 3. Use LG Bridge to complete the backup and restore official tool. Backup LG files. Install and open the tool. Connect your LG phone. Select Backup, choose Files, Start. Restore LG files. Open LG Bridge and connect your phone. Select Restore, choose Backup, Next, Start. Way 4. Transfer data between LG phone and computer with USB cable traditional method. LG to PC. Connect phone. Enable USB debugging. Open this PC. Select your phone. Copy and paste files to PC. PC to LG. Connect phone. Copy files. Paste files in the phone's folder. Way 5. Save and recover your data via LG Cloud Backup, and restore LG Cloud Backup. Unlock phone. Go to Backup and reset backup data. Select LG Cloud. Sign in and backup. LG Cloud Restore. Go to Backup and reset, restore from backup. Select items and tap Next. Conclusion. Which way is better?